Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, hit that like and subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're definitely going to the moon soon. As you can tell, this is starting to become a little bit of a trend that I like. Let's be real. I'll be sleeping well tonight with my Bitcoin, as I said on the title. This is for real. If you want to learn how to make sick dough. What's up, Sean? What's up, Rand? We talked a little bit earlier on Instagram 4 hours ago. It says 1 hour ago here, but I know 4 hours ago I put it up. It says 34,225 is that. That is our sequence. We will retest the 39.3 to break for a 40K BTC price, question mark, or we are going back to the bearish to 31K levels or worse. Well, check tonight, 8 p.m. That's what we were talking about. We've had this up for many, many times. It's more than 4 hours. It's been up for a long time. Definitely pay attention, definitely to mention. That is a price that we need to start focusing on. We're right about there, touched, and now significantly bouncing off that trend line. Bouncing exactly off that line, as I said. That was something definitely exciting to see. What am I talking about? This is the forwardly. This is what we do. This is Bitcoin. Let's see what we have here. Okay. So even on my PC TA, we're very close to that. If you can pay attention, definitely to mention. Zoom in when you want to boom in. You want to pay attention and see what that says. That is 34,279 on a rough, quick pull back, pull up. What's going on? Dr. Rainey. Sorry, I'm trying to get this coconut out of my teeth. I made a shake with coconuts, and I'll never do it again. What a mistake. So there you go. There's your better price, 34,240. Even better, getting to the 225, like I said. Definitely the Fibonacci sequence. Somewhere in the golden pocket where we'd like to be. This TA does not always work, but it works when I do it. And that's all you need to worry about. We put it in the grayish area. That's about where we need to be. When we started this and we got this wick here, this is what I would tell you I did. Bam, all the way from here, I explained to you that this was the possibility. I explained to you that that's going to happen. Well, shit, it happened. We're back. We fell down to here. Now. It's very important to pay attention, definitely, to a lot of things. One of them may be the volume. Definitely pay attention to mention on the volume of Bitcoin. I'm still waiting for my amp to come back. They screwed me on money here. So we're falling a little below that price, as you can see. That's expected. The volume's 32 billion. So that's not looking too good. So this is a bearish sign. So my first bearish sign here. That's not good. That's a fact. First bearish sign, 32 billion volume, a little concerned. We cannot really fall through. What are we talking about? Well, if you want to stay totally alive, if you want to say this is what keeps us moving, well, you may be correct about that. For us to be seriously thought, what's the 50% on my Fibonacci? Somebody please help me out here. I need to find it out. The 50% would be here. That considerably keeps me bullish somehow. So if we do break through and this candle does continue, if, the word if, is pretty big, right here in this level, if you see that price, and please pay $10 a month for the trading view and you won't deal with this shit like I do. 33,568, who do we mother effing appreciate? And if you like this stuff and you appreciate me, hit that like and subscribe, baby, because we're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we are going very, very soon. This is the 35.5. Pay attention, definitely to mention. That's probably your last and final hope. That's just something I'm paying attention to. Second sign, we break through, come down through this. Then that's your second sign. Not looking too good. 35. What did we say? 34.5. 6, that's a good number. We'll leave it up here so we can really see that. Beautiful number. Oops, I'm messing. See what I'm doing? I'm screwing it up. God darn it. The TA is nuts. Now I see why only certain people could do it. Because it is. It's very aggravating. So 34.24. All right, 33.568. We're still good. 33.565. That can't get any closer to that. TradingView is very difficult to use. I'm actually starting to realize that myself. It's very frustrating. So we're now going on. Come on, let's be real. We're on a declining mess right here, right? We can even take it out from here. It's a declining mess. Come down, see what's going on. Let's turn it red. See what's been happening here. We've been doing nothing but falling from this significant area. Now that I got that set up correctly, I could come out, pay attention, definitely to Mother F and mention. You already know that if we get a big bounce off this 34.225 number that we just talked about, you know that we're looking strong all day long. Comes back up, and then we'll be retesting that roller coaster ride up. That's what we're looking to do. That's what we're looking for. That's what keeps us very bullish. In action, we could be seeing 70K. We could be seeing 100K before you know it. And first, we have to get to the 40,000. Let's be real. Let's not do a fairy tale story that half these pumpers do on these coin pumpers. I can't stand it. But we're looking to get to somewhere around there, as we talked many times. So that's our target. That's where I expect Bitcoin to go. Well, where's Cardano going? Where's Polkadot? Where's, Matic? All these coins you said. Well, a lot of these are affected. Basically, Cardano here. We broke out, right? Same thing, as you could tell. Get rid of all this mess. But you can tell that if you get rid of all this shit and you start paying attention, it's affected by Bitcoin. It's clearly affected. Now, look what happened. Well, it's just a coincidence on Cardano now. As we're coming down ADA, we're going through the roller coaster ride. But we stop here, on the downward trend slope. And now we're going to come back up and poke through and hopefully come through here, which is what we've been talking about, the 135. And then back all the way to the $1.50 that I told you it would reach. So definitely pay attention to these levels. Pay attention to this high volatile wave. What's up, Alex? Make sure you hit the strike, please. We are going to the moon. We're going soon. And this is something you're going to be excited about. We're going to get over to this area. We're going to start paying attention. We're going to start seeing some resistance. Perhaps we see some a little sooner. I'm not sure, but I was really looking at this, and something tells me that we may see it at the $1.50 range. So definitely pay attention to that. I'm going to start dollar cost averaging out some of the money that I made on my Cardano on a different platform that I bought cheap on this downfall that we currently had, right? We had a hell of a fall under $1. It was crazy. Cardano was under $1 again. I thought I'd never see that. Pay attention to this move, this downward trend, this upward trend slope that we're pretty much changing. We're trying to confirm a very bullish-like confirmation on the breakout for Cardano. So that's currently what we're looking at. It's the forwardly. Maybe go to a couple indicators. The exponential moving average is a big one for me. It's a big one for a lot of people. See if we're flipping on the band. I do see the red through this mess. I know it's hard to see, but we are opening up on the moving average. Each moving average indicator of a line does help and tells me that there's significant change coming. So I'm actually excited about that. I know you can't really see that. I apologize. I have a mess here, but that's what we're looking to do. Cardano's looking to come through, but the only thing is Cardano can't do shit without Bitcoin really being the leader. So unless we get Bitcoin becoming the leader and we come back through and we break through here, you're not going to see nothing significant. So I just wanted to come on really fast and let you know we do have something happening here. I'm pretty excited. You should be excited because within the next 24 hours, maybe Friday before, come on, tomorrow's Thursday. You know how we don't like weekends. I think we're going to get something in this action, in this realm. We're going to get a big fight before we get some type of little fall and resistance here. So get excited. You're invited. Look for the 42 break mark. We should be in the 40,000. I'm hoping to get there within the next 48 hours. We may have another bullish weekend. I'm not sure. I'm actually scared for this weekend to come. So I'm not lying. I'm being dead honest with that. Listening from the UK, my man James, what's up? So there it is. Relative strength index, we will do it. I usually don't go through a video without doing it. So to get this fall, that's great. If you pay attention, definitely to mention, coming down on this action like price, something a little similar. We did that. Don't pay attention to the length. That's not what she said. Definitely pay attention to the length for her. but that's a better length. It was too long, and she'll never complain about that. We have a little bit, maybe a fall. So there it is. So it's starting to curve. And that's what she might have said too. No, I'm kidding. We got to stop saying that's getting old. So look, we're getting the curve here down on the forwardly. Look at the hourly on the relative strength. Well, on the hourly, it's already telling me that we're already pretty low. We don't like where we are. We could come down just a tad bit more on that. But then, believe it or not, then once we get into that 30 area, as I said, it'd be a time to buy. I would be longing right here once we start skipping through. This is the hour. Go to the 15. I will definitely be looking here. And as you see, once we get some type of a final dip, a tunnel fall, it's not much more. We're going to be back up again and running. So I would definitely pay attention to that. That's huge. Bitcoin dominance, we can't get away without looking at that really fast. I wanted this to be a really short video. And yes, this is something to contest. Pay attention. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of a fall here. We did come down, if you notice, some wick down, but now the candle's starting to try to turn green. So we're heading back on the Bitcoin dominance, back up. We're looking to see if we could break through. If you notice, it's really struggling to turn red and fall, as every time it does that, it's starting to turn green. I mean, I can sit here for a couple minutes if you want. We'll laugh, and I'll tell you how it's just going to turn green soon. Is what's going to happen is we're getting some strength, we're getting some action, and hopefully that the volume doesn't create it too much lower, but then we get that up spike. You'll see it coming. We may be getting it now. I'm not sure, because there's so many other indicators to look at, so many other things that we can really go through. You probably should go through a couple more, the volume being one of them. Definitely, we should probably throw that up there now. I can't believe I don't have that. Let's see. There it is. Wanted to see something. This is my net volume. So somebody came out. That's where we went down to the 32 billion. Definitely, this is Bitcoin chart right here. This is our net volume, and it's showing how, wow. So we came back and bounced off. That was the end of the month here, as we're coming here through to the end of the month. So I do expect some really, really big bullish things happening. We're going to talk in a minute right here. 6 billion. NCR opens Bitcoin purchases to 650 banks, credit unions. Very big news today. If you pay attention, there is Bitcoin purchases to be an estimated of 24 million total customers as part of the deal between Enterprise Payments, Giant NCR, and digital asset management firm NYDIG community banks, including North Carolina-based First Citizens Bank and credit unions, including Bay Federal Credit Union in California, will be able to offer their clients cryptocurrency trading through mobile applications built by the payments provider. This is huge. I could do some TA on Ethereum before I go, but I want you to understand how important this is. Bitcoin is just getting more bullish and bullish by the day. If you don't understand what's happening, it's getting adopted, it's getting accepted. June 30th, 5 a.m. I should have went over this immediately this morning. I wanted to, but I had so much shit I was taking care of. 650 banks and credit unions. There's something a little alarming about that. If you don't know this is going to be on every YouTuber channel. They're going to be talking about it on every show, every single way. If you paid attention on my Sicto Crypto Instagram, you will know Pi Network, you will know Ethereum is now doing something we need to speak about before I go. Ethereum is stuck. Ethereum was stuck for a while, not going down. And if you paid attention to some of my analysis, we're going to do this really quick because this one was an important one. I want to know where Ethereum's going to go. If you don't know, this is Ethereum Classic. I need to know. We did this fast as hell, and I'll do this with Ethereum just as quick. Yes. Holy shit, if it's not doing exactly what it needs to do. Ladies and gentlemen, we need a wick. If without looking at anything further ado here, $52, $53 would be my fall, and then I would buy this. So if you want to buy more Ethereum, I am not a financial registered advisor, but it's set up for this fall down here. I'm just letting you know it's very important, as we just did that on the wicks. Ethereum Classic. We're coming into a new candle. As you see here, it's turning green. It doesn't mean it won't come down red and hit this yellow again. But the final result is, as time moves on, you will see that the next couple candles here will start to retest where I said $63. That's amazing for Ethereum Classic. We'll now do Ethereum really, really fast for my brothers and sisters because they ask. This is what we do live for you on the Jive. And I said that big candle here, this wick that we showed, was a big deal. A lot of people didn't understand how big of a deal it is. I'm going to do a really, really quick one on this one for you so you can see where we're going to come down. We're probably done. I'm telling you, a lot of this stuff is already showing that we're done. Here's another quick one. If I was a guessing man and I did the Fibonacci sequence and I told you for the next sequence of some type of bullish action, you would be somewhere falling through here, and this would be what we would have done the TA on up at this candle here on the first red wick that we confirmed down at this time on June 29th. It would have been at the 16th hour going into the next day, which would have been this morning, 12:01 in the morning. I would have told you that this is what we're expecting. This is what Ethereum is doing without any other TA. It's the Fibonacci sequence, 2043. That's about what you're looking for me. There's a chance another sequence. All these sequences are really strong. Sometimes I like to take a look right dead smack in the middle here, and I do this one. So that means right here is usually where I'll go. It's in between the golden pocket of the 23.6 percentage or the 38.2, so really the 24% pullback or the 38% pullback, either one on the Fibonacci sequence. Thank you for my Fib uncle. He got us into this, and we're looking. This was the Fibonacci on the way up, trying to decide if we were coming up. And now, as you pay attention to these levels, this could be the worst level down as you could possibly get. It's your Fibonacci pocket. This could be another level that you would fall down here. It could be done. I'm trying to explain to you, Ethereum could be done, and now the next action could be bullish going up. I'll do a confirmation on the RSI, take a peek at that, see how we're looking on that confirmation, see if one of those indicators can help us. No, there's a chance we're going to hit the 2,000 level again before we pop back up. Why? Because I see here the last few times we fell. So get ready for one more fall before we do come up. That's my final verdict. I did it for you. Please hit the like, Arnold. I did that for you. Everyone, please hit the like and subscribe as we're going for a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going very soon. So Wall Street Pete, Sicto, in crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have a good day. I hope you all have a good day. We're going to have a good day. La, da, da, da. Woo! Ain't no one gonna die today. Yeah, so hit that like, subscribe, baby. La, da, da, da. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. So don't give up and keep going on. We got this TA and it's the bomb. I'll see you later, alligator. Say hello to my hater, Wall Street Pete. We're out. Sicto Crypto. See you at the 8 o'clock candles. I'm glad you love it because this is what we're about. Scream and shout. You know it. I'm not a poet. Let's go. I'll see you at 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Be there or don't be mine. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto.